Hey everybody, it's Captain Keith with MarineMax. We're here today once again with Jim McGowan from Raymarine. We're out here off the beach, Fort Lauderdale, Pompano area. Got a little breeze blowing. We're tucked up on the beach and we're going to be looking at this RealVision 3D sonar from Raymarine. Jim, can you walk us through this and show us what we're looking at?
Sure, yeah. So this is our RealVision 3D system. So this is a feature that's available across all of our Axiom platforms. And what the RealVision 3D does is it uses both our down vision and side vision channels, plus some additional 3D information, and it creates a model of the bottom and everything that's in the water column in full 3D. We're running it right now in something called GPS trailing mode. Okay. So as we make passes over different areas here off the beach, it'll continue to update the model. It'll replot the positions of any fish or objects in the water column that it detects. What's really cool about it though is how you can really visualize it from any angle. So with your finger, you can just simply touch on the screen and you can drag. Here we can see our trail behind us. You know, we can look up, we can look down. You can even pinch to zoom in. So it gives you kind of a whole new way to visualize what's going on underneath the boat.
All right, so say we go over a break or a school of fish or a bait pot or something like that. Can we mark it and go back to it?
We sure can, yeah. So when we pass over fish, and at the moment it looks like we haven't seen any yet, but they'll show up as little colored spheres on the display. Right. We can actually colorize them either by their target density or by their depth. In deeper water, sometimes it's nice to colorize them by depth just for quick reference. And if we want to mark them, you can simply touch on any spot on the display, drop a waypoint pin in there, and now we can easily go back to it.
Cool. So by target density then, like bait fish, you could distinguish between bait fish and let's say grouper or amberjack or something holding up on a wreck.
Yeah, different species of fish, they have different kind of body mass and different makeup. So they'll show up in different colors, but if you set them up by density. If you're also looking for man-made objects on the bottom, like a wreck or a reef or something like that, concrete pilings or debris on the bottom will have a very specific density, so it allows it to show up in a fairly uniform color.
Hey, if people want some more information on this and any other Raymarine products, how do they get hold of you?
Raymarine.com is the best place to check it out. We've got all of our specs and details and lots of images as well that they can check out.
Hope this has been informative. This is Captain Keith. You can check us out at MarineMax.com or stop by one of your local MarineMax stores. See you on the water.